We are opening this aviation room. We have some parents that are pilots and they've kind of helped us. This is a passion for so many kids, flight and flying and aviation, and they are so excited. They're excited about this space.
Yeah, I think it's pretty cool. Me and my dad come here all the time and fly planes on the flight simulator back there. After a trip that we just did, I got really interested into planes.
I've gotten to fly the flight simulators in 2nd grade and 3rd grade and this year too.
We were so grateful and gratified to have the school named after him, and a special thanks for the aviation component of this because that was a big part of his life. It's very exciting for the kids. I mean, to think that a 5th grader could take a plane off and land a plane on a simulator before they graduate from elementary school is something.
We did an aviation science fair for the kids, and their science fair projects were aviation themed. So that was really fun. They really want these things at the school. That's been exciting to see this space come alive and then really starting to use it.